How to fix WhatsApp status music not working. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, go to Play Store. Make sure your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. If you have update, you will simply find update instead of open, simply update. After you have updated, your problem might be fixed. If that does not fix, go to Settings, scroll down to Apps and Notifications, click on Apps and Notifications, and then in here, search for WhatsApp in All Apps. Go to Storage and Cache, which is the third option. Then click on Clear Cache. After you've cleared cache, this problem may be fixed. If this does not fix your problem, go to WhatsApp, click on three dots on top right, then go to Settings, which is the last option, and here scroll down to Help. Click on Help, and then go to Help Center, which is the first option. In Help Center, click on Search Help Center or simply go to Contact Us at the bottom right. Click on Start Chat. In your chat, you can simply type in, "Hello, the music feature is missing in my WhatsApp status. Can you please enable the feature for my account because I want to add music?" You can simply send, WhatsApp will get back to you and your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix WhatsApp status music not working. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.